Hey yo, it's Anna from Atlas. In this video, I will show you how to merge layers, a very common GIS operation and a very important one. So let's have a look. What is a good situation when you should consider merging layers? What are some best practices on how to do that? So first of all, I have now some 3 different layers here in Oslo Center. So I have used our Overture Maps integration to fetch some restaurants, cafes and bars in the center of Oslo. But they are all now in different layers, and sometimes it might be easier to have them all in the same layer. For example, if you just want to style it, edit it, run analysis on it all in one bunch, then you should consider merging layers. So right now here, we can first maybe multi-select them all. So hold shift and then we can open the data table. So we see them all here as tabs. We can see that, okay, we have some name column, category column, socials, address. I mean, this is the good part of getting it all from Overture. We have the same columns in the same order. So if we now open the cafes layer, we can see the same order, and restaurants. At least almost the same order. At least it has the same column types. So if you are about to merge some data, make sure that your columns are as matched as possible, because then they will all just add the information under each other. So the rows will just keep adding and you have clean columns of the same data. While if you don't have them matched, even if your titles, column titles are slightly different, like category and category 1. When merging, they would become as separate columns. So here we have a good example of having the same columns, which makes it easier in the merge. So now we can go to data actions and vector operations, and here on the bottom we have a merge layers. And then we can go and switch the datasets and simply click all of the layers we want to merge and then run. All right, now we have it merged, and I mean, you can always also test this out. As you can see, we still have the original layers here, so it's no harm in testing. But now we also have the merge data layer, and now we can go ahead and open the data table of that. So now we see in the original ones, we had some 300 or just 80. Okay, there is more in the restaurants, but in the merge data now we have over 1,000 rows. So they have all come after each other in a nice order listing. And then we have the same columns here, so everything is merged nicely. So we don't have any extra columns appearing. And now we could style this based on field, so we can use the category, for instance, to style everything in different colors like this. So this is how you merge layers super easily in Atlas.